Now, like I said, in addition to music, there's one other thing I want to show you, which is sound effects. This is super helpful as well. So let me show you some of the sound effects you can make. So for instance, you could do dog barking. And here it actually produced 4 different variations for us. Let's go ahead and give one a listen. A little dog. Yeah, so just super cool that you can do all these type of sound effects, like a camera shutter. Here's immersive beach ambiance, epic cinematic logo reveal. So just anything you can think of, even any sort of background noise you can make with ElevenLabs.